Hey guys, for today's video we're gonna be customizing the shift knob and the boot. So if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so it's a little bit hot. The sun's hitting right on the driveway. But anyways, we're just gonna work through that. I'm gonna show you how to remove the shift knob and the boot. And then I'm gonna show you what I bought to customize it. I have to DIY the boot, but it's gonna work. I'm really excited about that, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so here is my shift knob. I really like how this feels when I shift. So I don't know if I'm gonna get used to the one I got, and I'll show you guys why. And for some of them you just unscrew them, but this one you actually just unscrew this and you have to use a star key to unscrew this a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm just unscrewing these. I had 3 screws, and now we're gonna go ahead and just take this off. Unscrew and take this off. And for the boot, you just literally pop this off, just like that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna unscrew this here, but here is the boot material I got. It's like a golden silk because of the knob that I got. Look at this. It's the 5-star Dragon Ball. So just imagine that. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, I got the adapting piece for the boot. You could just get it off of Amazon. I got this off of Amazon, this off of Amazon, and I got fabric glue because I don't have a machine to sew this. So we're just gonna unscrew this, take it out, and measure it. I'm probably gonna leave a little extra because I want it to look like the ball is laying on a silk, you know, bed. Alright, so I'm gonna start unscrewing these. Oh snap. The sun went down. Pretty nice out. Pretty sure we don't need to take all these out because I think this pops right off right here. But we're just gonna go ahead and do it just in case. Unscrew all of these in case. Like that. Yeah. You take that off, and then these should just right off. Alright, so this part was kind of hard. Alex helped me pop these out of here. You had to like push them back, and since it was like leather, it was really tight in there. Ew, this thing is dirty and needs cleaning. Eesh. But yeah, here's the old one. Kind of going to use it to measure how much I want, but like I said, I want a little bit extra than this, so we're just gonna clean our hands really quick before I open this and clean around here. Alright, so after cleaning that, this is how dirty it was. Anyways, I'm just basically gonna do 3 pieces like this, kind of give it a little extra space and just kind of measure it out like that and go around like that.
So I kind of
like
broke something.
What? You broke it or it just came off?
I broke it.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out.
Well, I'll fix it.
And this is kind of just a stencil. So I have my 3 pieces, but I'm gonna line them up and just cut around where these came out bigger. Alright, so I cut the 3 pieces kind of the same size, doesn't have to be perfect. They're gonna get glued. So you want to do is have the side that you want inward, and we're gonna glue them together. Oh snap. A little bit too much. That was a little bit too much, but anyways, you go ahead and put this on here like that. It's a little bit crooked, but like that. I'm just letting this dry, but I already connected the third piece to that side. Once it dries, I gotta connect the last one. So once it's dry, I'm gonna connect this piece like that. So as you can see, this is the part that I want. So we're gonna put the glue here and glue this one like that. So this is almost dried. We're just gonna give it a few, and then I'll show you guys how we have to zip tie this piece. So basically the tip is gonna go up, and we're gonna have it like that and zip tie. Alright guys, so I went to go use the blow dryer, dried it up. So now we're gonna stick this adapter piece in here like this, and we are gonna zip tie that. So we're gonna go ahead and go like this and zip tie it like that. Okay, make sure you have a few in here like that, and then go ahead and zip tie it. Okay, we're gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of this off like that. So hopefully everything's dry, but then you flip it over and voila. Now you have your boot cover. Alright guys, so it was a little difficult to get this on there, but I already did. I'm just gonna go ahead and screw this in, and I'll show you guys the other side. Alright guys, I screwed the back in. This is how it's looking. Let's go put it on. The Dragon Ball came with adapters, so let's go check it out and see what fits. Alright, so basically I put this back, and the adapter that fit, I just literally screwed it on here. It looks like it looks like this. Basically, you just put this on here. So once that's in there, we're gonna go ahead and put the Dragon Ball. So just like this. Wow, I freaking love it. So look at that. That's what I want to see right there. That's why I wanted to get this silk. But yeah guys, so I think I'm gonna like it. It's, I mean, pretty cool. So yeah, that looks dope. Again, it's the 5 stars like the decal I put on it because it's a 2005. Yep. Sheesh. From this angle, so you guys could see it. Excuse the dirty carpets. I gotta vacuum the car. But yeah, it looks so cool. It got dark out, but I hope you guys like the custom shift knob and the boot. I love it. It looks so cool. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. One more time, it's right there. I gotta get used to it though, that's for sure. And stay tuned for more videos. See y'all later!